What's up, Glam Squad? Is Glamorous TT, and today this video is going to be like a quick hack of how I get my color eyeliners. So the first product that I'm going to be showing you is this it's like a water activated white eyeliner from Suva, and with this I pretty much blend it in with any pigments or eyeshadow that I have because it's white. But if you don't have that, I really recommend using setting spray. So I had to go clean up my setting spray because it was very much like giving off ratchet because of how it was looking. So once I took off all the wrapping, I'm going to be showing you what brand I'm using. Revolution Pro, and with this it comes off matte when I put it on my face, so it's going to give me that matte look when I'm using it for my liquid for my pigments to make a graphic liner. With this is my go-to because I don't have all them coins to be spending on every color, and I haven't really found a really good one. NYX was my go-to color liners, but they crack too much for me, so I'm going to be using a angled brow brush, but I do have a smaller, thinner brush. I just cannot find it right now, so I'm going to be showing you with my eyeliner brush. With this method, you can use either your palettes or you can use your loose pigments. I prefer loose pigments because that gives me the option of not scraping up my palettes. Okay, make your consistency thick or you can make it thin. In this case, I made it really thin because I just like mine's oh my gosh, these dogs always want to bark when I'm recording, but I like mine's very watery because it gives me the option to do more with it. So I'm gonna be mixing it. You can mix it on your hand or you can mix it on a mixing palette, but I'm using listen, you guys, don't judge me. I'm using a little piece of paper that I came with my earrings that I bought. But you're just gonna add and you're gonna feel it out. You don't want it to be too thick and you don't want to be too thin, and you also want to test it on your hand before you apply it to your eyes. And this is safe to use around your eyes. Trust me, I've used it around my eyes all the time and I don't have no watery eyes or burnt eyes or red eyes. No irritation for me whatsoever. So it's up to you if you want to do like a little test run, a test patch to see how it works for you. It's up to you. At this point, you're just gonna mix until you get your perfect consistency. When I bring it up close, you're going to be seeing a little bit of the clumps, but don't worry because that doesn't come off on your eyes. So this is my perfect consistency. That is really good for me. It's not too watery and is not too pasty to a point where it gives the option to crease or crack like with the NYX. All for this video. I hope you guys loved it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.